What a Spanx, yeah? If you're looking for a delicious Valentine's Day recipe, we have got you so covered. This decadent white chocolate and raspberry tart is the ultimate fancy dessert without any of the fuss at all.
Look at how perfect it looks. Here to show us how to do this is Queen of Chocolate, Kirsten Tibballs. Hello, Kirsten.
Hi, Kirsten.
Colleen, Larry, how are you?
Are you saying we are capable of making this?
I think it's really, it's an easy one. I know I always say that, but I think this one truly is.
Okay, well, it looks delicious. What do we do for the biscuit base?
Crushed biscuit, a little bit of cinnamon.
What sort of biscuit?
It's just a digestive biscuit, but you can really use whatever biscuit you like. Some melted butter.
Just a little bit of melted butter.
So biscuit and butter so far, yeah.
Biscuit and butter, easy.
Achievable. I can do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're going to put that into a fluted pan and we're going to press it down so it's nice and flat. So what I love about this, you don't have to go up the sides because that usually puts a few people off.
So just pushing it into the base.
Push it into the base.
Yeah.
Yep, so we put it in there. And I've got a little trick. I use an oil spray lid to actually press it down.
That's quite the trick.
It's much better.
Is there not a utensil for that? Is there not a...
Well, the spoon doesn't really... It's not really flat. So this really gets it in. Put that in the fridge.
Off you go.
So no bake. It's a no-bake base.
It's a no-bake base, yeah.
NBB.
Yeah.
Love it.
Then we've got some double cream.
Can I say that is perfection? Look at how that has turned out. And you said you've transported that on a plane. So
I brought that
amazing.
all the way from Melbourne. I brought 3 just in case, because you never know.
Yeah.
So double cream, which is really quite decadent and doesn't need much work at all.
That is just... You had me at double cream.
I know, and you'd love this.
Did you bring that on the plane as well? How'd you get past
I
border
did.
force? Right.
In a cooler bag. It was kept chilled.
Good.
Yeah. I'm the one who takes up a little bit more than I should of the overhead baggage.
It's okay, we won't tell anyone.
Because you know they sell double cream in Sydney too. You do know that. Just next time you come in, you have to bring
I know.
So 2 containers of double cream.
Yes. Some pure icing sugar sieved on top.
Yeah.
And then we just give that a quick stir. It doesn't really need any whisking. I know I did tell you earlier that it was full of air, so you could eat as much as you want, but there's not much
You did
air.
say that. Oh, there's no air.
You were just saying that to get me across the line.
I was, so you'd have a taste.
Here, I'm sensing that you don't need an oven, you don't need a stovetop, you don't need anything.
No.
Maybe to melt the butter, that would be the only thing.
To melt the butter, that's all you need. Yeah.
You do that in the microwave.
You can do that in a microwave. And you want this to be still quite soft, so not much whisking at all, just a little bit of body.
We've just discovered that there are both male and female underwater Spanx, so you can put some more cream in there if you want.
Okay. Go for it. So pour this on.
Yeah.
This will firm up again a little bit in the fridge.
I'm worried that that's going to sort of go over the edge, Kirsten, but you're saying it won't.
No.
I think it'll be all right.
Just leave it back off the edge a bit.
Just leave it back off the edge. Then we spread that out, put a bit of Barry White on.
Look at the way you lean into that too. It's like a Picasso.
Look at how shiny that is. Why is it so shiny?
It's got your light on it, Kylie.
Yeah.
It's in the Kylie spot.
That looks beautiful. You do have to take us through how to get these beautiful chocolate pearls.
I just say the Barry White music made that so creepy. All right.
Some raspberries on top.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And that, I think that bit of fruit cuts through whatever was saying
enough
about...
of the fruit. What about the chocolate curls?
Chocolate curls.
Oh, I thought that was butter. Is that chocolate?
So did Larry earlier when he took a bite. That's chocolate.
Oh.
So microwave this for about 10 seconds. Then with a peeler, we can get these gorgeous big curls.
Oh.
Now, the recipe is from your book, Chocolate All Day. What other beautiful recipes in there we're going to find?
We've got, good for Valentine's Day, I'd say the marble bake cake. So there's lots of recipes that are like this that are quite simple and easy to achieve. Another one I really like is a sticky date pudding.
Oh, yes.
With a chocolate ganache.
That sounds good. But I tell you what, for impact and for ease, this looks like it would be a real winner, and it's got the red in it, which I love. So,
He's your gardener.
Kirsten, that looks absolutely beautiful, and the chocolate curls are to die. What's it like? Oh, my goodness.
Come on, Colin.
You can find the full recipe over on our website and also in Kirsten's book. It is called Chocolate All Day. Who doesn't enjoy chocolate all day? It is
That
out
is amazing.
now.
Thank you so much for that.
We're back after this.
Oh, yum.